Did you know that we remember 95% of a message when we watch it in a video, but only 10% when we read it? Crazy, right? That's exactly why today we are talking about the power of videos in internal communication. You will learn why videos are so effective, how to best use them in your organization, and a few tricks to help you create truly impressive content. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Our brain loves visual stimuli. In fact, it processes visual content about 60,000 times faster than text. That's why platforms like YouTube and TikTok are so successful worldwide. Video content also stays in our memory much longer, which is something you should definitely take advantage of. What's more, videos pack much higher information density compared to plain text. And the best part? Videos don't just convey facts, they deliver emotions too. And that's what makes them so indispensable for internal communication. Now you might be wondering, how exactly can I use videos? Here are a few ideas. Onboarding. Create welcome videos for new employees. It feels more personal than a PowerPoint presentation and is especially effective for remote onboarding. Updates. Let leadership communicate important messages through video. Authentic, direct, and convincing. Training. Video tutorials save time and are much easier to remember than written instructions. Employee introductions. Showcase the faces behind the roles to foster connection and a sense of teamwork. Now you're probably asking yourself, what makes a truly great video? Of course, it's more than just pretty visuals. Here are a few tips to make your videos truly impactful. Be authentic. Show real people and real stories. No staged scenes. Keep it short and sweet. Keep videos as short as possible to maintain attention. Quick cuts can also help keep viewers engaged. Provide value. Make sure your videos make life easier, for example with clear instructions or inspiring messages. And here's the truly amazing part. Employee videos don't just improve internal communication, they also strengthen connection and engagement. As you can see, videos are one of the most effective tools for internal communication. They are informative, emotional, and memorable. So what are you waiting for? Start today and take your internal communication to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on internal communication. See you the next time!